done a few of these now, so I thought I'd just walk through the process and show you how quick and easy it really is.
This is the part number of the Volkswagen fuel injector seal kit. So this is a fairly standard, quite cheap Volkswagen injector kit. I just wanted to explain exactly what we see here and what we use. What I wanted to talk about with these, I've labeled them 1, 2, and 3. So the idea is 1 here. So where the knurled section is normally where you hold something. So the larger diameter is on let's call this the bottom, and the smaller diameter on the top. So then we go to the next size where we've got larger diameter and then smaller diameter. And then this final one is where you've got, again, larger diameter, smaller diameter. So you're just using these in this order, 1, 2, and 3. The problem is that these are not labeled at all. So I had to work out how these work to be able to use them in the correct order. The easiest way is going to be with this cone section. Number 1 is not going to fit through that cone at all. However, it will fit through 2 and 3. So then you're really just going to have to work out which one has the 2 smaller holes and which one has the larger holes. And then you've worked out your order of 1, 2, and 3.
So you can push that one down just with your fingernails.
The smaller of the 2 tapers is used to put the Teflon over the pintle of the injector. So you'll see the different sizes here. So when I do that first one, I'm pushing it down that far. That's as far as it goes. Then when I turn the knurled section around and push it down, it pushes it down a little bit further because this diameter is larger, and that's as far as it goes.
Number 1, so I'm going to go the back side first. So that'll go down, that's as far as it goes. Turn it around, push that down, keep it nice and square, push that down as far as it goes. That one goes away. Get number 2. Using the back side of number 2, we're going to push it onto the pintle and just keep working it up till it gets into that groove. Now we can drop the cone out and turn number 2. This one is quite easy, so I like to just push it in and out a few times, rotating it, making sure keeping it nice and square. Number 2 can go away and get number 3. So this is the difficult one. So number 3 is quite difficult to slide on, but you can actually push it all the way. Then just pull it back a little and just rotate it and do that. Now I like to do that about 3 times just by rotating it a little bit in between each time. Pull that back and we're just going to keep it in that position. Now we can go ahead and put the top parts on. Now this has a ridge on, the smaller diameter goes down the bottom, so this can pop straight on. Then just grab a little bit of rubber grease, put on your O-ring, and then it can pop straight on. There we go, so the top of that is ready to go now. Now we can slide this off, put that away. Grab this little 3-pronged cage, snap that on, turn it around, pop that on, and now we're ready to push that into the cylinder head.